ngangihlale ngithi ngami, the boat, sengisho ngiyaconfess, the train yomshado yangishiya. Because I've lost too many great people. Now I'm attracting rubbish. I'm sorry. Athi ngikhuluma ngami ngikhuluma ngawo. So why uphatheka kabi? Angakuphathi kabi. Ngidilile nayo lento le.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video literally alaphana kuma social media platforms eyakhaya mthethwa la ashumayela khona akhuluma ngokuthi le nqola yemshado ayamshiya yabo. So now attract nje nabantu bemarabisho empilweni yakhe because udlale ngemathuba wadlala nangebantu lebe bamthanza like for real. We know ukuthi ukhaya mthethwa siyaqoqa ukuthi kwajula na Jessica Nkosi. uJessica Nkosi nyalo mfati wa TK Dlamini beyadlala ku-Uzalo as umastermind. They have 2 kids together. Uphindze wavana futhi naNomzamo Mbatha. Nomzamo Mbatha, guys, she's overseas. Impilo yakhe is just flourishing sana. Sikhuluma nje ngayazi iphathi indzaba yakhe ulemazweni gele. Washada anantando yenkosi kunene. Ntando yenkosi kunene bashada. They have a child together, but their marriage didn't work out, and then they decided to go their separate ways, but divorce. So uthi nyalo udlala ngebantu laba right empilweni yakhe, but now he's attracting rubbish because labantu abasebafika empilweni yakhe amihlume kuphela. You know guys, ngalesinye isikhathi kuba khona abantu who be like who just are able to be honest with themselves. Basho ukuthi cha yabona lapha ngadlala ngento le right, yabona lapha ngadlala angilithuba. Now uthi nje abantu laba attractako umihlume nje yodwa abantu laba marabishe because emuva liyasuka khona udlalile ngebantu lapha right, bathi udlala ngento le right because you think ukuthi ngeke uzuyilahlekeleni. Mina like to say ukuthi udlala ngento le right because you think ukuthi angeke ize ikushiye. So guys, kubuhlungu kakhulu kumuva ukhaya mthethwa confess indzaba lengaka esontweni nokhani. Kuyasho ukuthi cha iyamudla nayo indzaba. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.